Alright, first question. Why do you hate K-pop?
Yo, what's up everybody, it's your boy JRE. 르세라핌, Unforgiven featuring Nile Rodgers. That's a collab that I not expected happening with any K-pop group, but at the same time, like, why not? 르세라핌 and Nile Rodgers. If you guys don't know who Nile Rodgers is, a very talented musician, mostly known on guitar, if I'm not, or even bass. He play a lot, no? Yeah, it was Pharrell, Daft Punk, and Nile Rodgers for Get Lucky.
We're up all night to get lucky.
So I'm very curious how Nile Rodgers is gonna be a feature in this 르세라핌 Unforgiven track. I'm gonna be checking out the full album on Twitch later today at 5 p.m. PST. So you better go check it out on Twitch later today. We're gonna be live, and then I'm gonna play a scary game afterwards. So if you're into that, me being scared and just laughing at me while I just struggle. Oh! What the f—
Where are you coming from? Oh, from
No. Without further ado, let's get into this. Let's go. Let's begin. Play my intro. Official MV, let's get it, let's go. Ooh. Why'd that remind me of a s'mores? I don't know why. Unforgiven. Okay, we got the big text going through the. Oh, where are we flying to? Ooh, 르세라핌. Is it a restaurant? What that is? Oh, okay. We got some production in here. Oh, the girls? A table for one. Oh, she got some cowgirl gear.
Unforgiven, I'm a villain, unforgiven, I could get there, unforgiven, I'm a villain,
I don't know why I liked Unforgiven, I'm a villain. I love that. Woo. Yes, Miss Ma'am. And they got a helicopter with their band name, the group name. Oh, the one-winged angel, Miss Ma'am. Oh, burning too. Where's that from? I feel like. Wait, did she have the devil hat on? Like, oh yeah, the hoodie. Ooh. Okay, Miss Cowgirl, let's go. That jawline though. Okay, Katniss Everdeen. Ooh, ooh, where that going? Ooh, you saw the bet. Okay, production. Excuse me. What? Ooh, my bias is J1, by the way. Who's your bias? Ooh, okay. Yes, we dance in front of the rich people. They look like rich people, I don't know. Hey, man in the back was feeling it. Everybody else is like either recorded, just standing there, and you see that one guy with the drink. Hey, I don't know where I'm at, but hey. Where was he? Wait, where? Oh, there he is. Oh, there. Some of them are dancing. Ooh. With that sword? Oh my god, girl. Oh, same couple. Hey, what he looking at? Where old man looking at? Hey, yo! Hey, check your mans! Check your man. Where he looking? Oh, that's a bad pause. I'm sorry, Miss Man. I do apologize. Like, can I? Sorry, that's not a good pause. I should move on. I should move on. Ooh, they're using that Western theme. It's from Unforgiven, isn't it? Ooh, yes, dogs. What type of dogs are those? I love a good villain era. Ooh. The feathers kind of remind me of like SSERAFIM from Cutter. Did they cut it? They cut it?
But I ride.
Hey, yo, stay away from those feathers. Damn, that thing's cut. Ooh, okay, production is crazy. Like, you can twerk to this real talk. You can't see it because you can't see my legs, but I was twerking. Interesting how the move is actually like going like this, kind of like you're swinging. Forgiven girls. Okay, villain era. Ooh. Didn't they have like a bunch of like... That was trippy. Wait, you tell me that heart was from the horse? I don't think so, but... That was a shot. That was an edit. What's poppin'? Hey. Oh, they got the wigs on? Oh, uncovered. Oh, boys too? Yeah. Forgiving girls. Alexander Wang. Is that Gucci or Juicy? I don't know. Oh, we're not done yet. We got the credits. Yo, shout out to all the people that worked on this. This looks interesting. Damn, how they sampled the that part?
SSERAFIM.
Ooh. My guess is Nile Rodgers. Is it Nile? Yeah, Nile. Brought in that instrumental. Like the whole like guitar part. That little wah, wah, wah. That's from the actual movie Unforgiven, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it's from The Good, Bad, and the Ugly. But it is still a Clint Eastwood movie. I don't know. I'm not really a big expert in Western films. But her tearing off her wing sounded so crunchy, if that makes sense. But it also didn't sound as juicy though. It sounded like it was like already like moving on to the next one, which she has another wing growing. I like the like that. And then the whole like prancing around, swinging. This scene is so interesting to me. I just look at the people in the background, like they're having a full-ass conversation. Like, how are you gonna have a full conversation? You know, like at a K-pop concert, you see people having a full-blown conversation, like when the best song is playing, and I'm like, how? Unless you all talking about the groove. I'm sorry, this is triggering me from past K-pop concert experiences. This is me. This is me. You know, I'm getting laid. We got drinks on me. Once in a while, like taking my phone to freaking, you know, like record a memory or record for like content. But I never like to record the whole thing. I like to enjoy it myself. That's just me personally. Sorry, we're going into a whole different topic. But dang, she got armor on her forearm. Anyways, y'all, put a comment down below what you guys think of 르세라핌. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. We're gonna be checking out the full album today on Twitch at 5 p.m. PST. Be sure to be there if you want to join in and just listen along with me or just get hyped with me. And then we're gonna play probably Resident Evil for the rest of the stream. Should be a good time. Yeah, 르세라핌, Unforgiven, featuring Nile Rodgers. Good. I can't wait to check out the rest of the album and see what it sounds like. I like this Western theme too. I mean, with a song called Unforgiven. I mean, you could go a lot of places, but yeah, and they did a sample from The Good, the Bad, and the Ugly, which is like the only Western film I've ever seen fully. Cool. What is this man looking at? Anyways, bye.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.